Hey, what's up? It's Vinny 10, Vinny 10 Racing. Okay, we're back on the 350Z, and we just pretty much sum up everything right here of what we broke. So we broke one outer axle output shaft, which is not bad. Like somewhere in the future, they're gonna be like, "Yo, what did they have to cut this like that?" You know, like 2,000 years from now. Replaced both bearings, both races, and another thing that happened was that it actually knocked the race out of the tail shaft housing of the tranny. So I guess it was pretty violent. Knocked that out. So what we did is we went out and bought a Reed, nice double roller bearing, and we got the Viking right there, putting it in. So we're doing good. So all in all, a couple of seals, couple of bearings, one shaft from the factory, not too bad. And we made a little improvement, which we need to do. So getting ready. May 19th, CMR. Be there. This series is off the hook. So far, it's been great. Looking forward to going back. I know a lot more people are coming out this one than the last one. Keep coming, man. We're going to keep pushing. We'll be there. Later.